President Emerson Mnangagwa is delegated ZANU-PF's national chairperson, Oppah Muchinguri, to preside over disciplinary hearings targeting party members accused of victimizing those opposing his controversial 2030 agenda. Sanavera mashoko ari kuona kuti musikana anonzi Oppah Muchinguri panapa ochionekwa ari the power struggle iri kuonekwa kunzi yasheka the country. Sanavera mashoko amudanyika panapa kuti subscribe or like turn the bell icon. Chimbina mepa nawo ratiri kuona resume panapa mudanyira chiti these pegs, particularly in Masvingo province, are part of a broader strategy to Mnangagwa's camp to consolidate power and amid dissent within the party. Several ZANU-PF members, including Ward 12 Councillor Brighton Mushekwa, have faced disciplinary action for allegedly supporting Chiwenga's faction and resisting Mnangagwa's extended tenure ambitions. This has sparked outrage among party supporters who disrupted a meeting in Masvingo Sabc area, demanding the reinstatement of their councillor and refusing to accept fertilizer distribution from non-elected officials. The internal dynamics with ZANU-PF stem more the November 2017 coup that toppled long-term ruler R.G. Mugabe. Mnangagwa's ascent to power was facilitated by Chiwenga and the military under the understanding that Mnangagwa would serve 2 terms before handing over power. However, Mnangagwa's recent moves, including his implicit push for a post-2028 presidency, despite constitutional limits, have unsettled this delicate arrangement. The resulting rift has seen both factions vying for dominance, with Mnangagwa's loyalist pegging perceived Chiwenga allies at the grassroots levels. By assigning Muchinguri to mediate, Mnangagwa appears to be deflecting blame for the pages, positioning himself as a neutral party while tightening his grip on power. Ndo mashoko anobuda panapa achinogwana wakomana vachiona kuti aiwa Oppah Muchinguri anopiwa mapowers aiwa ekuita zvaanoda kana kuti ekutonga madisputes anenge achiitika kana people vanenge vachiresista the 2030 agenda. Muudze mafungiro enyu matikudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section menu mafungiro enyu, musaona subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.